how to create a certificate on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a certificate on Microsoft Word. So first thing you have to do, go to the Microsoft Word. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the search here, and you can search for certificate like this, and now it will give you those options. As you can see, many options as you want. And now all what you have to do is click on one of these. For example, I like this design. Click create right here, and you will be able to change the name just from here. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.